What is this?
Wait
for what?
Telling him.
I must go there. All of them must go. I will kill all of them. Then we get out from here. What is it?
Wait. You don't.
Leave me.
Wait.
If you leave me, leave me. I must go there. I will kill them. Where will you No. If you are begging me, it will be begging me. I don't like this thing. Coronavirus or Motorola virus. No. I will kill all of them.
Wait. Where do you know you are going? Where do you know you are going?
What is happening? That's you. What is it? Can you imagine? Just yesterday, they said we are going to start market tomorrow, being Monday. Now they called me that they pack Motorola or coronavirus from a Bariam and they want to spoil at Aguero Junction here. And okay, the driver Pia, the driver won Corona personal junction.
But what are you using the cutlass for?
Using the kid who Corona in the vehicle.
And the shovel?
They after killing them, I'll use shovel and bury them.
But it has been long. I saw this shoe on your legs. What's happening?
Don't try to stop me on water. This shoe I will use it if their blood is flowing. Water go, it will not touch my body. Because I heard that with the blood of Corona, you will use it and produce vaccine. Yeah, now you will use it and cure other people in the country.
Listen. See, I am tired of running after you. All the way from home to this place.
Listen
to me. Corona in question is not a person. Corona is not a person.
Where?
Neither is it a spirit.
Where?
Corona is a virus. It cannot be seen.
You have been killing people.
It cannot be seen.
I want you to stop killing people.
You want to go there? Oh yeah, go there and go and bring it and come home. By the time you come home, I will carry my bag and I will leave. I will go back to my father.
No, now wait. Your brothers and sisters in Onyapa Comedy House. If you look at me, I am with a cutlass.
Yes,
because I heard we are going to open tomorrow. We are market. Can you do my one? Can you tell me because I was in the Agona to second. What is it? After killing Motorola or coronavirus, yeah, I will use some look at my shoe. Well protected. If I'm mashing, nothing will touch me. Yes, protect myself with the cap, then I'm with you even. Why not? That is what we are talking. You see, when you go out there to fight Corona, remember you were told to sit at home. Yes. If I have somebody like Wuku, why will I live in my house? If you know Corona to what do you have to say?
Oh my God, please don't buy this, folks. Please. Tomorrow we are getting freedom to start everything, so we are starting life again. Yes. And please, I want you guys to stay safe, be good. Remember to go on your face mask and your hand gloves.
This is smart.
So my husband actually.
Yes. Hey, be careful. Our husband.
My son.
I want to go.
So please stay safe and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget that.
I'm safe with Onyapa Comedy House.
Yes, sir.